Hi, welcome to Series 2 in the How-To series presented by United Computers, where we look at understanding and using Excel. Some background information. This time we'll use Excel to count down the dates for a project, and in the first of this series we saw how we could use formulas to calculate the number of days between two dates. We also saw how Excel thinks of dates as numbers. This demonstration will show how a future date or past date can be shown, as well as a countdown, for example for the number of days left to complete a project, or maybe how many days do we have left before we need to sit for an examination. Again, some little tips. Remember, we can always pause the demonstration to read the screen contents, and the screen can be seen quite clearly in full screen mode if you require. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified automatically of many more Excel hints, tips and procedures to come. Let's look at the demonstration. Again, remember that the cells with comments in them are shown by a small red triangle in the right hand corner. That indicates there's a comment in the cell. When I hover my mouse, I'll see the comment. So this particular cell contains a formula: equals today, open and close a bracket. That date will change as the computer's clock changes. So again, if I save this file and reopened it on a subsequent day, I'll see the new date. Assume I want to know what the date will be 100 days from now. I'll enter a formula into this cell in which I want the answer, equal today, open and close a bracket, plus 100. That will always show me what the date is 100 days from the actual date on the computer. What was the date 210 days ago? I enter a formula, equal today, open and close a bracket, minus, we'll say 210. So the date 210 days ago from the 16th of March was the 18th of August 2012. Here's a practical example. An engineering project must be completed by September 30 this year. I can keep a running summary of the number of days left to complete by entering in some labels so I know what is involved in the cells to the right. The completion date happens to be the 30th of September 2013. Today, I entered in equal today and open and closed a bracket, and then I simply deducted one cell from the other. I deducted B19 from B18, and it told me that as at the 16th of March I have 198 days to complete the project, or maybe sit for the examination. Tomorrow, because that date will show me the 17th of March, there'll be 197 days left. How many days have we been on Earth? Well, if I know my date of birth, which I imagine most of us will, and then enter today's date by simply typing equal today and open and close a bracket, then in this cell I've entered a formula C27 minus C26, and whoever's birth date was the 23rd of April 1960 has been on Earth for 19,320 days. It seems an eternity. If I want to see that in actual years, then I enclose the cells involved within brackets in the formula and divide by 365.25, which takes care of leap years. Sometimes I may need the date and the time. In this case, this calls for a dual keyboard procedure. I press Control semicolon for the date, press the space bar, and then hold down Control Shift semicolon, which gives me the time. If I just want to see the time, I hold down Control Shift semicolon. In the next series, Series 3, we'll look at some of the more advanced date formulas available in Excel. These are year frac and network days. I know you'll find them handy. Thank you once again for watching.